If you are working with HVAC systems and have recovered from the refrigerant, you will want to have a vacuum pump handy. These will help remove any unwanted water vapor or air left in the system after the recovery has been completed. This is the best way to ensure that any refrigerant left behind would be able to be used later, especially if you are using it on the same system. There are many products available to choose from. Best HVAC vacuum pump, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best HVAC vacuum pump from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Zini 3.5 CFM Rotary Vane Economy Vacuum Pump. The best of the lot is this model, and the inlet port is 1/4 in size, with a pressure scale of 0-400 psi and 0-140 psi, with a 1.2 meter hose. This is very quiet while working, but still high in efficiency, so you know the work is getting done fast. It is made of high-quality aluminum alloy for the casing, and the oil drain plug is on the bottom of the machine, which makes it easy to access. The handle is cushioned to prevent it from slipping while you are carrying it, and the motor is easy to start. This also has an intelligent radiator, so when something is stuck it will turn itself off to prevent any burnout or other damage. Number 2. Evacu TA 350 Rotary Vane Vacuum Pump. Another great option you can opt for is this model. It is lightweight and made with aluminum to have a high-quality body and build. The motor is a direct drive that allows it to start easily and be free of any maintenance. You can also use the viewing window to see the oil level. The drain valve is located on the bottom, and the reservoir is tilted to allow for easier draining. It has a higher volume fan inside to prevent it from overheating while being used for longer periods. This model's fader-free air displacement is 3.5 CFM with a 1/4 HP power and a voltage of 120 V with a frequency of 60 Hz. The oil reservoir capacity is around 280 milliliters, which means it is large enough for your daily needs. Number 3. Favorcool 3.6 CFM Vacuum Pump. This model is a single-stage pump with a 3.6 CFM, and it is made of cast aluminum to keep it rust and weather resistant. The motor, which is direct drive style, makes it much easier to turn on than others, and it doesn't require much maintenance. There is a window for checking out the oil level on the bottom with the angled reservoir to make draining faster and simpler. The fill port for the oil is on the top, and it can be accessed from either the right or left without any issues. This has a convenient and easy to hold handle so you can move it without hassles. The lightweight cast aluminum structure effectively dissipates the heat generated during operation and resists chemical corrosion to ensure years of beneficial use. Its innovative design also prevents oil backflow and separates the exhaust from any oil vapors, limiting contamination and providing safer operation. Number 4. Robinair Economy Vacuumaster Vacuum Pump. If you want a handle that you can easily grip, then this model is the way to go, and this is an economy version. This one has an oil capacity of 7.5 ounces, and it has non-skidding feet to ensure that it won't move from where you place it. It has a 5 CFM and 1/3 HP motor that is thermally protected, and there is an inlet to allow extra air to flow through easily. This is going to be a great model if you want something that will last you a long time, and that will work in all areas of your career. Robinair's number 15500 Vacuumaster Economy Vacuum Pump is a high-performance, heavy-duty 2-stage rotary vane design vacuum pump designed for air conditioning and refrigeration service. With a 5 CFM free air displacement, a factory rating of 35 microns, and a 7.5-ounce oil reservoir, this unit has the capacity you need to get the job done. This robust unit features a 1/3 HP, 115 V 60 Hz thermally protected motor, an inlet fitting engineered for maximum airflow, while preventing oil backflow. Number 5. Robinair Vacuumaster Vacuum Pump. If you don't mind spending a bit of extra money on your HVAC vacuum pump, then this would be the perfect model. It is designed to be used in refrigerators and air conditioner servicing, and it is a single-stage device. This model oil tank's capacity is 8.5 ounces with non-skidding feet to keep it in place while you are working. This model's free air displacement is 3 CFM, and the motor is powerful with 110 V 60 Hz voltage and 1/4 HP, and is thermally protected. An inlet is designed for the highest level of airflow, while preventing any backflow of oil. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.